Hi guys, it's me, Naja from NajaDiamond.com. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this makeup look. I went ahead and created this really cute makeup tutorial for you guys. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please go ahead and keep on watching. Ahead and jump into this foundation. Like I said, this is the new shade stick from Juvia's Place. I don't know if it's that new. It's actually been out for a little while, but it's new to me. And I got two colors. I got Mozambique and then I got Cameroon, and I am gonna see which one works for me. Anyway, you get about 9.7 ounces in this. So let's see what that looks like. It's about that much of product, if you can take a look. So you get that much of products. You guys tell me how you like this new camera, because this is a new camera for me. This is the M50 and I'm testing it out today. All right, and then this color right here. So let's just go ahead and test the first color. You guys see I have a lot of pigmentation here on my cheeks. This is just from acne, scarring, and things like that. And we're gonna test this first color. This is Mozambique. And that is one stripe of that. And then this is Cameroon. Alright, so as you can see, it looks like this one is a little too light. And it looks like this one is maybe slightly too dark. So I'm actually going to mix the two. I don't know if there is an in-between shade that would be perfect for me. But we're just gonna make it work.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny?
Okay, so I have the foundation on, and I will say this. I will say, I think the coverage pretty good. It did cover up my, my problem area. I do think that it went on smooth. It's giving me a very matte finish, which I love because I'm an oily girl, so I love a matte finish. And I do think that it blended in really well. I will say that I do like a liquid foundation a little bit better, just for my own personal taste. But so far so good. I'm really curious to see if how it's going to wear over time and if I'm going to feel as though it's heavy. Right now it doesn't feel heavy, but I don't have all of my makeup on. But I do feel like something on my skin. I feel like it's there, but like I said, it doesn't feel uncomfortable and it doesn't feel too heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in and finish the rest of my face. This is their concealer, and I don't know what color I am. This is the color 11. I guess these are numbered, but this is the concealer, and this is the doe foot applicator. I love a doe foot applicator. I really, really do. So I'm going to go ahead and use this under my eyes. As you can see, it's not like a real bright concealer. So I thought I had another one of these, but I guess I don't. I am going to go in with a little bit lighter concealer though. I'm just going to go in with a tad bit of this e.l.f. Camo concealer. This is the 16 Hour Wear in medium beige, and it's kind of got the same packaging and the same applicator, but I'm literally just going to take like 2 dots of that because this stuff is super duper light, and then the Juvia's Place is a little too dark. So I'm going to go in with this, and then I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I know Juvia's Place does have a translucent powder, but I do not own it. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this, and I am going to set my under eye concealer. So to contour and bring some life back into my face, you guys, because she looking a little lifeless, okay? I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Coco Naughty. I don't know if this is dark enough for me, to be quite honest. I could go a little bit darker, but we're just going to use this, and we're going to basically do a 3 shape. So the outer edges of my hairline, and then here on my cheekbone, and then up underneath we're going to chisel this chin a little bit. So let's okay, so for the eyes, we're going to go in with the Warrior palette, the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. You guys, this palette is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Tell me this is not fall golds. Hello. Let's do this color. Ugh, she's so pretty. She is so pretty. Lots of golds, bronze color. I absolutely love this palette. Unfortunately, I have not used it yet, so we're gonna use it today. Okay. All right. So first things first, we're gonna take a little bit of concealer, and we're going to prime the lips. I'm just gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer and put that on my lid, and then I'm going to rub that in with my ring finger. And this is just so that the eyeshadows stay. So now we're going to go in with the color Kano, and we're going to put this on the outer edge and into the crease. This is just to define the crease. This is the Morphe E28 brush, and I'm going to go in with this Mino color right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer edge. Pretty. So pretty. So now I think I want to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to take this flat shader brush and take this color and put this on my lid. Whoo! You see that? Oh, you see that? I literally just want to concentrate. I almost want to do a halo eye. Do I want to do a halo eye? Y'all. I feel like it's blowing out this eye look. My lighting is, because she's giving me life, y'all. Now I'm going to take this color right here, put it on my brow bone. I'm just going to blend out these outer edges just a little bit more. I am done with this eye look. I put a little bit in the inner corner as well. I'm just going to go ahead and put liner and lashes on, and then I think I might be done. Oh, and mascara. Liner, lashes, and mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay, so before I do my bottom lashes, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is in the Summer Solstice scent, and I really liked it. So, and then I take my little spray, my little fan, and I just dry the spray. This fan is totally unnecessary, so extra. But okay, you guys, my lashes are on. When I tell you that was a whole struggle, like, my lashes didn't want to go on. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Raisin Blush. I just feel like it's a perfect blush for my skin tone, and I also think it's a really good color for the fall. I'm going to use this brush right here. So, then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter and my highlight brush, which is dirty. This is a MAC, I don't know, I think it's a 130 brush, and this is the Mega Glow highlight in the color Crown of My Canopy. And I just put that right on the apples of my cheeks, right there. Right there. And then a little on the Cupid's bow. Okay.
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over.
And then we're going to put some highlight on. So, why is no one ready? Where's my blush? This. Go ahead and set that. Ew. It kind of jizzed on me. Oh, pretty.